it is impossible to sneeze with your eyes open. The body has a reflex mechanism that automatically closes the eyes to protect them during a sneeze. This natural reaction has led to many myths and jokes about the impossibility of sneezing with open eyes. Even the youngest among us can't resist the urge to close their eyes when a sneeze sneaks up on them. This phenomenon isn't limited to humans. Animals also instinctively shut their eyes when they sneeze. In classrooms across the world, children learn about the fascinating science behind sneezing and its effects on the body. Sneezes often lead to funny moments, especially when they catch people off guard, creating laughter all around.